Welcome back to our channel. My family and I have fallen head over heels in love with the beautiful ABC Islands, Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao. Our first time on these islands was during a cruise and it was magical. After that, it was clear that we needed to come back and visit these islands more in depth. Well, that initial spark of wonder led to so many adventures, and now we're happy to share with our YouTube family what we've learned about these beautiful destinations. So if you just booked or you're thinking of booking a cruise that stops in Aruba, Bonaire, and Curacao, and you're wondering what awaits you or what activities you should plan, this video will help you make the most of your visit. Let's start with Aruba, known as one happy island, and for a reason. This stunning destination has something for everyone. For a day of relaxation, head to Baby Beach. It's a perfect spot for families. It has calm, shallow waters. It's ideal for snorkeling with tons of fish swimming. Can you imagine this footage was shot not too far from shore? If your vibe is more shopping and delicious restaurants, go to the hotel zone. You can have a swim at Palm Beach, and don't forget to stop to enjoy a gelato at the Gelatissimo bus. If you're an animal lover, you can't miss the Donkey Sanctuary. There you can interact with the donkeys, learn about their history in Aruba. It's a non-profit, so you go for free, but you can help by buying a souvenir, a snack, feeding the donkeys, or even adopting one. Not too far from the Donkey Sanctuary, my favorite beach on Aruba, Mangel Halto, offers serene waters and some of the best snorkeling on the island. If you want scenic views, visit the California Lighthouse and make a stop at Trapi Beach where you can swim with turtles and check out the pelicans. Did you know you can jump into a secret cave pool? At the same time, you can visit the Bushiribana Ruins, which are the remnants of a 19th century gold smelter. Not too far, you have the Natural Bridge, which once was a massive limestone arch, and it collapsed in 2005. But what remains is Baby Natural Bridge, which is a popular spot for visitors to admire Aruba's rugged beauty. Now, if you like the idea of the cave pool, in the Arikok National Park you can experience the stunning Conchi natural pool where you can snorkel, swim, and cliff jump. Now you need to get some steps in. Climb Mount Hooiberg that has more than 600 steps and then leads you to a breathtaking panoramic views of Aruba. And if you want to see some flamingos, spend the day at the Palm Island with fun water slides, all you can eat and drink, a nice beach, awesome snorkeling, and banana boat rides. Now there are so many more activities you can do, such as snorkeling to a sunken boat, windsurfing at Hadicurari beach. So please go check out our more detailed Aruba videos. I'll put the links in the description below. Next up, Bonaire. Known for its untouched beauty, this island is a haven for nature lovers. Start your day by visiting the iconic pink salt pans. The striking contrast between the vibrant pink waters and the white mounds of salt is picture perfect. Nearby, you'll find the historic slave houses, a humbling sight that tells an important part of Bonaire's history. Bonaire is also a diverse paradise. We loved stopping at the 1,000 Steps where I saw the most amazing shade of turquoise water in my life. If you're a fan of the underwater world, you'll find some of the clearest waters and the most vibrant coral reefs right here. For a taste of Bonaire's liquor, head to the Cadushy Distillery. Don't forget to go spot the flamingos at Gotomeer. These graceful birds are one of Bonaire's most cherished attractions. Head to the amazing Seru Largu, a popular spot to see the island of Bonaire from a high vantage point. There's also a swimming spot right next to the ship where the water is beautiful and you can jump from the dock.
The best way to show you're enjoying this video is by clicking like and subscribe. You can also leave a comment.
If you want to know more about the excursion we did and the spots we visited, make sure to check out our Bonaire cruise excursion video linked below. Last but not least, Curacao. This amazingly colorful island will capture your heart with its vibrant culture and natural beauty. Mambo Beach is a must-visit for a perfect mix of relaxation and entertainment. It has crystal clear waters, beachfront restaurants, and tons of shopping. It's a great spot for all ages. The colorful streets of Willemstad are like stepping into a postcard. Take a stroll through downtown Willemstad in Punda to see the famous colorful houses and walk across the moving Queen Emma pontoon bridge. This area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and it's easy to see why. You don't need to take a taxi, you can walk from the port, it's about 10 minutes away. Don't miss the Curacao sign, the Chichi sculpture, the murals painted by local artists, and our favorite, the colorful stairs in Otro Banda. Want to see amazing beaches, fauna, and rugged terrain? Head west and go swim with the turtles at Playa Piskado. Burning through the city of light. You can cliff jump at Playa Forti, admire the blowhole at Watamula, or have fun with pigs on the beach at Grote Knip. In Curacao, snorkeling and diving are a wonderful way to get close to nature, and there are tons of beaches to choose from. Our favorite beach to snorkel was at Tugboat Beach, where we swam to a sunken tugboat. And then close by, we had a pirate adventure at Fort Beekenburg. You're wondering where the Blue Curacao liqueur is made? Visit the Blue Curacao Distillery, learn about its history, and even enjoy a tasting. Curacao also has pink flamingos. We saw some at the Curacao Aquarium, where you get to participate in the feeding. And in nature at the salt pans on our way to Kokomo Beach. The ABC Islands are true beauty and there's so much more to explore. We hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable visit, but if you need more information, make sure to check out our dedicated videos for each destination. Let me tell you, they contain tons of ideas for your vacation. If you've already visited the ABC Islands, let us know your favorite spots in the comments below. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel tips and adventures from our family. Until next time, happy travels!